Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Francis. I'm here to guide you on the cheapest way to get that protein fix. So if you don't have the budget yet to purchase your whey protein supplement or your protein supplement, you can go and get it from the food. Definitely food is the best. Alright, so this is what I was eating before when I don't have the budget to buy a whey protein powder. Stay tuned guys. Okay guys, hi! Welcome back, and I'm here to give you the tips on some of the food sources that has high protein but it's dirt cheap. So if you don't have the budget yet to go and purchase a whey protein supplement, you can go and get from this type of foods that I'm going to show you later. So this is actually the types of food that I was buying, that I was consuming the previous times that I don't have the budget to buy whey protein. Before we tackle the types of food that has high protein and is like very affordable, I'd like to give you a few seconds to click the subscribe button, right so guys, and click that bell so that you'll get notified if I have any new updates on my channel. Okay, so yeah, I have actually I took down notes, and because I need to remember what I was taking before. So definitely the first one is eggs. So serving of egg, one egg is around 5 to 8 grams of protein. So you definitely can get your fix on that. Just make sure that just take a note of the cholesterol amount, the eggs. Now, okay, there are several new studies out there disproving that if you take too much eggs, your cholesterol will go up. So I'll search for that research. I'll put the link on the description below so you can read about it yourself, right? So yeah, besides eggs, you have 3 more sources. Okay, besides egg would be fish. Preferably for me at that time, the one that's very affordable is tuna or sardines. Now again, tuna or sardines, canned foods, it has high sodium, so I have to take a note on that one as well. And I will post a note here on the minimum or the usual sodium recommendation for a day. Okay, so there, one can of tuna, I have it here. 1 can of tuna is 21 grams of protein. You'll get your omega-3s as well, so it's very affordable. 1 can of tuna is like around $2.50. Okay, so it's quite good. You can cook it together with eggs, so you get a tuna omelette. Very nice. Okay. The next up is for snacks. You can take peanut butter. For peanut butter, again, the sugar and the sodium content as well, you have to take note of that. But a serving of that, maybe like 2 tablespoons, is around 8 to 12 grams of protein, depending on the brand. Okay, and the last one, last but not the least, is milk. If you can take milk, you can take dairy products. It's going to be cheap alternative to whey protein supplement or soy or vegetarian protein supplement. Take a serving, maybe 2 to 3 cups of milk, and you distribute or you evenly drink that in your meals, like breakfast, lunch, dinner. You take a cup of skim milk. Okay, now if you have sensitivity to lactose, there are lactose-free milk, or you can switch to soy protein. Soy milk, and you can take that as well. For skim milk, maybe it's around like 6 to 12 grams, 6 to 10 grams of protein per serving, per cup of milk. So those are the 4 alternatives to your regular whey protein supplement. So that's like that's eggs, you have tuna, peanut butter, and milk. And those are the essentials, the basic food types that I would like usually buy and eat if I don't have the budget to drink or to purchase whey protein. Okay, but if you have money, if you have the cash to go and buy yourself a supplement, don't just rely on that supplement, on your whey protein supplement. You have to take real food, brother. You have to take real food. You can mix it together with these high protein food sources. So again guys, thank you for watching the video. If you have any comment, suggestion, feedback, just leave them down below and I'll get back to you guys. So see you on the next video.